Today on Empires and Cocktails, I am continuing our look at the greatest wedding-themed cocktail drinks that June has to offer. Sir Ricky Bobby, you may kiss your bride. And just like the groom before the big ceremony, we need something to take the edge off. My medicine of choice is Cayman's Reef Ancient Barbados Spiced Rum. To many years pissed away into many empty bottles. Here's a drink to start your reception on a positive light. The Tropical Sunrise Mimosa. 2 ounces of orange juice. ½ ounce of grenadine. And top the drink off with champagne. And that is the Tropical Sunrise Mimosa. Today we will discuss the many phases of love. It all begins when one of your bros comes to you and says, "I think you're really into her." Then comes infatuation, then in love, engaged, in debt, in laws, enraged, in court, intoxication. And that's where I come in. You hit that metal, boom.